The iCAR V27 made its world premiere in Dubai on August 1st. At that time, the iCAR brand will officially announce its international brand name, Isaur. The new vehicle will be the iCAR brand's flagship model, with an estimated price range of 200,000 to 250,000 Yuan, and is expected to be officially launched in the fourth quarter of this year. The iCAR V27 will reportedly be introduced in the Middle East market alongside the iCAR V23 and iCAR 03 models. The new car maintains its family style, rigid square design. Its headlights have a unique design, with a square exterior and a round interior, and the front grille features a multi-stripe design. The body lines are simpler than the iCAR V23. The vehicle will be approximately 5 meters long. Compared to the two compact SUVs, the iCAR 03 and iCAR V23, the iCAR V27 becomes the largest member of the family. The image, combined with previous spy photos, shows the vehicle retaining its vertical taillight arrangement at the rear, a roof spoiler, a side-opening design on the trunk lid, and the iconic little backpack exterior decoration. In terms of power, the new vehicle will be equipped with a range-extending system consisting of a 1.5T range extender and an electric motor, and will be available in rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive versions. The all-wheel drive version is expected to have a maximum power output of 335 kilowatts, approximately 455 horsepower, and a maximum pure electric range of 200 kilometers under CLTC conditions.